actually. He was disappointed.
Baby, up.
He thought I was going to tell him I was pregnant.
Okay. Right. Almost corporate climber over here, pregnant.
You guys, I want to have a baby at some point.
Maybe you could schedule one between a conference call and a client meeting.
Okay, Daryl is the one that I'm really worried about.
Oh, really?
Yeah, are you kidding me? You're lucky he wants one at all. I had to promise Greg I'd give him these. Okay, now. Okay, easy, fella. Ooh, this one's real grabby. Oh, he must have been breastfed. Is the baby hungry? Oh, he should be nursed.
Hey, like nursey.
Are you sure you should do that?
Oh, yeah, you don't have to be the birth mother to breastfeed.
Nope. Nursey.
Oh, you want a nursey? Okay.
All right.
Oh, drink up, precious.
Ooh, this one's real wriggly, huh? Come on now. Suck it. What? Ow!